We are back with the fabrication series for this week. Got some more progress on my lathe stand. Added a piece across the bottom to help support the weight of the toolbox, which will be sitting there and on the other two supports on the ends. Made these three pieces here with the holes in them. Those will line up with the three locations that the lathe bolts to right now. Those will get welded into the frame here. Finished rounding off the corners for the plates. It'll go on the bottom, hold the casters on. Again, here's one of the casters right here. Sit right on there. Next step will be getting those top pieces positioned properly, get them tacked in, and then get those bottom plates sandblasted and tacked on as well. And then should be able to weld everything up solid, throw some paint on it, and set the lathe on it. All right, that's all I got for this week. We'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to subscribe.